Hello, my name is William and I'm a tutor and my tutor, and in this video we're going to see how we can use factorization to solve quadratic equations.
Okay, let's say we have some quadratic equation we want to solve, meaning we have a quadratic equal to 0, and the 0 here is important and we'll see why in a second. So firstly, let's just factorize it, and if we're to factorize the quadratic on the left hand side, we should get x plus 2, x plus 3. And this is the quadratic on the left hand side, so this is 0. And now we're going to use an observation that if you have the product of two numbers is equal to 0, one of those numbers must be 0. That meaning, well, x plus 2 must be 0, or x plus 3 must be 0. An equivalent way of writing these is x is minus 2, or x is minus 3. Hence, we can see the solutions to the quadratic equation above is x is minus 2 or minus 3. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful, and thank you for watching.